some of kaya near starting conversation about a yes slay queen. And a man what this name on a 2 on swa. And so bonia a deba on so our mumpono monya way. Our conversation goes with a chibe bradria basis in your maybe. Mensaka ye Apostle Francis Amoako Atta. Ye betwa conversation also. Na me wo gidie pa say before see a baby sa conversation. Na nyame fa eye Adom 106.3 FM so. Agiobi. Apostle. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brack.
Now, Bibi Aboko,
yeah, okay.
But you are looking good. Oh. You are really looking good. African wedding is so on point. I'm out for Monjani on Facebook. Monjani on Facebook says, yeah, Monjani on Facebook right now. I Adom 106.3 FM. Adom 106.3 FM. Now, mon share a year Jumedian was studio them and also boam out to me a whole new feel and kasa. A Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. Yo, Apostle. Memo akwa ba bi ewu na ene na papa bills mama feedback ni bi on the phone so WhatsApp messages bi I was sending on na very intriguing. O share mekan de minya wo mu ne say ase na adesoa bi de bi mo so but as conversation koso omu hu say de we nti na mama ye we ade we nti na mama first na nka me nye we ba me ye say nti afi na say me ye say na say me ye say wo mo atumi a join the dots na hu say a free baby. Because since I'm talking about 2 years 38, and 38 lesbians are young girl from 14 years. You started a year slay queen conversation, or the demonic a year a woman. Young ones now, one person, one life is 38. I promise serious. A year a man nanka woman home ma Edda to me do say edu ba bi obi say soft mama last week soft mama pa ni kunu eyo di focus here pa was it ojina kitchen ya aduane na ade ne bedi mu a ayi na ye de sankwan no fa nkwantre no nti nkwantre ni ti no ana ke say otumi ade ye no ho ye wo kitchen ho nani kunu wa so ndam o can you imagine me say that na a girl ba ko nwanwan say receptionist na or not the brush or the brush e di twitwiri yasin or reception na na brush she ne or reception no na brush e she ne bag a whole receptionist and you bem one the brush no or the brush no brush no okosha washroom no brush no you too serious and a brand here ba ko a ono o see you so the first girlfriend ya akoko ya Anna, just sent you who could be an just say, no home was sorry. That's right. You could see how not demons I destroy Nipa. That's it. Why? Because I was say, none years you can say me say the moment Ube who no current, no current pet. That's it. And I'm why you're this. And to whom no current idea air custom be dear chili. And idea dear chess and Mamma Hokonya, a bit to me then a jaya. I was say the woman me I am dancer young ones now mobile at this tender age no first we tell say we go for abofra or what this tender age 14 years na obusa abreya black eye we no now ko ware no ye den we want to be satisfied no that's right yam gonna what I say that's right because free sa age ya boss abre we yana wo so open no for na so do no ware no ahia na abeko ye nya na abe oni pa to me use brush no the brush no ho ye na abe the dear pa na be ma betumi aye that's the amane ho asepe no ho asepe no wo ye den wo che say the obeya na obeya that's it na we see said na wo kan ade o mama sua ade bi o me say the most nipa o me most secretive people here sankrofo we and lesbians abinum so for nyawe o mama na nyawe o mo papa nyawe o mo kunu nyawe o mo boyfriend nyawe say bra we no mo so the only person they can talk to and say you open up no so no say okay me pese me jai so what is the result now o man direction na o ye penalty well girl could be say 18 year na on 120 me mad the man akwanchire o so da so the near body deliverance office me o so na mpaso nyina ye moja and for 3 days no academy afi what one na dwene say over here we giant to say ne ho aton ba me pa me say da me kan kire me be ya wie e na oba warefu bi frɛ me kan kire me say ebi bibi ham na me say ade no wo se what wo no ye din a na eye ne se won fa ne nsa enhyehyɛ no and I'm saying a home papa can na eye wo sister na ebe wanwa say
Oba waware a owoma enso na oye saade we bi won pa o
afiri nkwada se ero na chese ye honhom a aye sunsun
na chese ebi ware de kata so keke
aba ohia na ye man pressure akuya na wunyini a me say me we can't go there.
That's right.
Chese these 2 weeks a black and niama ma hu o mani so and then some amache o masumo yi say me 20 years in full time no.
That's right.
Me nya hia bi sada.
That's right.
And say nipa ye no mo koba no ye nipa hu ohu cha bonsam papa black e nipa hu ohu ankasa just we a ma 50% awade ase anyo don't know mo te because the peer pressure.
Okay.
And welcome
and the society pressure
it will come back the super need there to me why I said they make it better than 175 and possible and not than 10 years no it's beyond natural. And yeah now number 1 ya kasa asem ya start ya nam kire say a slave queen no aye honhom bi na ha wom.
Sure. Okay.
And last week, 7 satanic governmental heads are from Edin through. And to my born in last week, as I said, on ye Adam and free Edin to course because on what is now the Bible come home be handsome.
Okay,
on what to me. I'm on for Naka Solomon handsome. Oh, Solomon, and I Solomon, what would you what way a black eye? Your mamma 5 over to no matter.
Yeah, they
was what him. Eti dia bana na ha papa no a wono nko atimi fa ayire no 700 and a girlfriends 300 bema ba ko tima 1000 ho a ade na abesi samre no obi andwene ho da sa what is wrong with that man? Because Solomon nyansani because na nyame that man was possessed.
Solomon was possessed.
Solomon was there possessed by a spirit. 87 governmental satanic spirit or bonsam behind humanity no. You tosum you know on Solomon Bobra. He was possessed by Second Samuel chapter 5 verse 12 to 13.
Second Samuel chapter 5 verses 12 to 13. Osna David hunu say, "Erade de nasi Israel so hini pintin. Enesa ne man Israel inti, wama na hini osu no. David efiri Hebron eba ye akiri no. Okọ so ware empena ene yire no firi Jerusalem. Na owo maberema ene mama eman David bio.
Eti brakai. Sa homa me bebo ni din.
Okay.
Ono oye ono otie akonwa so. Eti se oba bia na ba ma bi tie mi sei na akonwa wo fie. Mudi ade ana honhom na oda tie sa honhom na mi ma akwankire na watumi ade ho.
Okay.
And the patch eti ade a ye Solomon no emfiri Solomon na mo efiri ne papa. Now back am why na ade say this is the Solomon, this is the David ya or tisreso na all your worship or tisreso aye worship yante na dwamamo yante so for ba yante so ya bone akom ya did so David is still konwa no say David is still konwa no say wom na hom no be wudan. That is the royal spirit.
Okay.
Okay. Sa
no ye do see akonya so
oh ya na possess.
Okay.
And nothing to do baby a mpanyimfo bi young girls no no moda no. Enya ono a you have been possessed by this demon. There's someone on a man death to mal 2000 that every night. Every person night and now you know about us.
International say enya wo be man na ho de spirit bi na possess wo no and I was say or satisfy no ho
or satisfy no I won say onyame aye honhom oh hear me God is a spirit asemwa you start here yekin onyame na mso na yekasa said be ya me no de
that's right
etibon sam so person ye adwuma ono so hia another vessel
sir
you mean what you say it is so David be dia de pewo ya Jerusalem pen honhom be wura no afei onipa o de nyame koma so no tese wan hu oba afei wo ti ase tese wan hu oba fampnafo eno babra nka omodo do because oye father nti babro cover because oye father so you must learn to cover the father's nakedness.
Sure.
And the party no e fampnafo ene ma wa ware ya breye ene oba akokora and the party no that's Yanko 1 Kings chapter 1 verse 26. Solomon ya baba abrantia kama te se woni na mo a onfa oba da onye bibia da na tie die see.
Okay, verse 46 was Solomon etna ahenni no adwa no so.
That was Solomon see the royal throne say wom na hono bowura na hono ya den
ebowura no.
Now say that is chapter 1 boy.
Yeah.
First call chapter 3 verse 1.
Okay, 3 verse 1. Was na Solomon any Misrim hene Pharaoh ebo ense.
What?
Na ofa Pharaoh baba eware no adne ba David kurom ekosi se owie ne dan ene Awurade dan ne Jerusalem ho fasuo no eto.
Point ne say adentina Solomon yedena si royal throne so na oba wodi kan ware no wan ware Juni na okoware biasini Egypt ni because kwan na beda.
Okay.
And the party no said the baya obetumi bonsam betumi penetrate no nti oba odi kan ye no ho ade Egypt ni na ko Bible ma Egypt represent the world nti okofa wiasini kwan dan ho ne papa yo hene nti from royal to royal and the party oti Pharaoh dia wa Egypt man nyina na Solomon ko fa ne baba to ko fa ne baba pe na o import spirit no straight to na himfio. Sure. Now for Yanko, chapter 11 verse 1 to 5.
11 verse 1 to 5. Osana Solomon edo emma ananafo bebre.
What?
Eka Pharaoh baba no.
What?
Na one Moabfo, Amonfo, Edomfo, Sidomfo, Hetifo ma. A wo free amanaman a Awurade kan won ho nsem kyerɛ won Israelfo no sɛ monkɔ wɔ mu.
Sankrofo ma monkɔ wɔ mu.
Na
honhom wei ɛwɔ.
Yeah. Na ɔmo nso so ama mu.
What?
Ampa obakuma edi wona nyame no echi
obeyi wakuma ama wakodi saade na echi
na wona Solomon ebata won ho edo won
what
na owo eyirenom ahene ma ahanson
bro friend say princess.
Yeah.
Okay.
How the bad ahene ma eti ohene bia ba bia no akofa no ohene ba bia enti from ohene ba to ohene ba nko
700
it is 700 princess. Can you imagine? And it means Solomon was possessed by 700 stools. And kunya mako akonya bia to me die chiri.
Yeah.
Eti nti to me mako akora brantere na wasisi no. 700 abetena nim.
Okay.
Now what you say?
And empanafo so ahasa.
Empanafo so ahasa.
Na
nti the point in the man ya. Black guy, someone any be my do ya. Eti me no me no yantumi man 5 and 4 kura. Abrantie we no. Se wo se what you have to have?
Na ne yerenom akom na koma. Na Solomon enkokura bere mu no.
What?
Ena ne yerenom akom na koma kodi anyame foforo no achie.
What?
Na nakoma animu ewo Awurade ne Nyankopɔn ho se naja David akoma. Na Solomon ekodi Sidomfo enyamewa Astaroth.
As said there.
Astaroth.
Eti demon a otosu mienu a oha this maba we ya omo say adin ene enipa omo efri royal house no eye Aramic no eye Astaroth but you know eye Asumodi.
Okay.
Or Asumodai. Sa to me we or no and oye the prince of all demons. Demons are almost reacting now. Or no, ahimfie bi awate.
Okay.
Anything, maybe it's Yemena, would you anything in the skater? You are possessed by this spirit, you have deliverance.
Okay.
He is the prince of demons. He is the king of earthly spirit. Ahoma, omo wiasia, or doni or donino, or no control. He is the power behind all forms of lust. Akono nyina omo heneno.
Akono nyina na sa akono boni.
Sorry. Akono boni nyina omo heneno.
That's right.
Lustful king of hair. Or no and ni pabia wonam ahyewo so Sodom ni Gomorrah ho na ye first capital. Enu tin nyame ehye ho no. So God told us in Genesis, was sister Kuya, Sir Tumi, we oppose the Sachichiraman Honwa. Because Sodom, ni Gomorrah, na 5 capitals. And I know what to until home, and I know your opinion. So my Sikuya and Kabia Nipa Watom.
Okay.
And was see woman, send that Lord to her. So through Lord, and I was saying a penetrating.
Okay.
Because Yame Basihono, and a lot to hear it, if you until Kanyamifi said, Lord, to hear free Krumon, or no more than be winning. Down the pattern. It's a manity lot to a home, but to me penetrate. It's women and none in Chinese. Not just Uncle Wan Kobe. It's a lot to name mammy and one, or more Abraham myself for. And the echo. Omo could do the another one you know can back, and you can't take it once. Maybe any. It is the near papa and saying that the demon went back and followed them, influenced them through the last. Ah, papa and Cassa, Sanko die. Now, can I be?
Okay.
That was saying a penetrating to harass humanity. Don't get me back. 80, sir, last quotation. First Samuel chapter 5.
Okay, First Samuel chapter 5, verse 1 to 3. Was my Felicity for Efa Onyanko Pon Adakano. Now, what if free Ebenezer echo Asdod? And
I was saying Asdod.
Sure.
It's assumed, you know, the first right hand, a dagon. And Nyame says so don't go more. The next city of your man, Asdod, and the capital of Asumodi, into one and now.
Okay.
Okay. Now Felicity for no at the Onyanko Pon Adakano echo dagon fee.
Echo into Unyamekesi or yeah, the warrior, a dagon.
Okay. Now the see dagon chain. Now adia chain as of for sorry and opatutu to no. Na she na dagon ashias.
Dagon ashias.
And an imbutu from what? A radiada cananim. Now my dagon so sadness in Sibia. Now adia chain ya was so an opatutu to no. Na she dagon ashiasia nenim. Ebutu from ewe rade ada kananim. Na dagon 3 ene ne nsam yenu abubu ewugu apunya asie no. Na dagon ekuntunsin kwa na aka. Enti dagon asofo ene wona wo ba dagon fie nyina entie apunya asie ene de ewo Asdod eho no ede besi ne de. Verse 6. Na erade ensa eyeduru ewo Asdod for so.
Enti ene tambia no kuro we ebededi no. Ne nyame ensa aden adebi. Eti onipa bi a o tie ya obebbo ni tirimu se me masa tumi wei enni hine o mabusuam bi me no na nyamensa aye duru o sa spirit ne so.
Okay.
Dem gana what I say. Eti se obi honhom ne da anadwo bi a se obi efiri akonwa fie se nkonwa ewo obi fie na ta nkonwa no na ade ba ko won se sa hu wei adwuma ye ne se it's hard and say ote wo so ana otiumu ana odi wachi omo ye adwuma 3 levels. Okay. Otiwo according to Revelation chapter 17 was me hu oba no a oti nsuo bebiri so nti ada se otiwo so ana se otiumu nti otiwo so no a o ma wo mpaga o ma wo nko ba bia o ma chese ne o pesa wo ye no untumi nye se otiumu a ono o kire ne awo ye nti Solomon was possessed by this Asomodi spirit
na chese wa betena ni mu
or say na obofo ba so no krokra enkruwa nso no mba ko be ka kire me say brana me nkire odwamanfo kese a wotinsuo pi
wotinsuo me na verse 15
verse 15 no ka kire me say ensuo wo hunu ya odwamanfo ne te so
odwamanfo ne te
eye nkuro
o se dia ya
eye nkuro
enti sa honhom no wotinkuro bi so
ene nkrofo akuakuo
wotinkrofo akuakuo bi so omutie esesi ya
ene aman
ene woti oman bi so se
ene kasa hodo
ene wotinkrofo bi omo so omo ya kasa hodo enti kuro bi abeko oman bi abeko no ubetumi anya nkrofo kuo bi ai kasa hodo bi a omo ya nyama de omo fa ne keke na ndio ba je no oh ya country bi a ho tribe bi a ho se ho wenum de jawo mo wenum de chese nyama kana wati ase oh ya eti nkrofo kuo en nkrofo hodo any man who do biano ye what tribe when it come to business you're number 1
sure
when it come to entokwa you're warriors
okay
you know what I say obi tie me ho ba bia me wo ya smart obi hu dia me pa Ghana bi wa and dey ba say na baby aka tutura sem a you're wine and baby ya ka nyamansem a you're wine eti baby oti wo so baby oti omumu baby odi omachi.
That's right.
Eti womo odi omachi no ade bi omo ye bia no asay no
apostle ni bibi say aka a minute be 10 anye bia no. Is there a solution? Is there a way forward so we go through this situation?
Bible say nimu na nkwa wo na nkwa no aya nipa han na han ni sire sum ni so na sum na ntumi anim ani sum ni so da Bible say na asem no be ye honam and we say ayada na this 38 young girls o ma ma ha o mu tie keke na obi ade no I'm the because Omuti Yasem. Bible says he sent forth his word according to Psalm 107 verse 20.
That's right.
And his word healed them. It will be a wotia or per se. The Bible said you have 5 will: the will of God, your will, the will of Satan, corporate will, and individual will. I'm the party. So we know what the way no a journey yame will. Say yame if you ne mabusium the person side we if you one. Obey. Now the point is a year then and I'm awful and my we are singing no David ehunwom want to me and one show be as one kuno but you do best banko David ye the obetumi bia he couldn't resist until say when my man call Solomon no kukuni could down why and why a yasema ehun ankasa it just we take a decision now what we task say I will say afie ewura mi no onipa bi ye ni ho a obetuma ka che obi say ade we menye ya kan ya be kan ma ade achi o ti say wo take a decision because anytime you believe in yourself you become God in action in you. I'm the imagine.
Okay.
Yeah. Anytime you believe and say me Amoako Atta ade we me ni biem I'm the imagine when you me ba bi say onyame be back asam a wo kan na odi aye adwuma that what the will ahyɛ die no nti obi tie ya ne esese oya ne sɛ obagi atom sɛ nkonyo o me fie anything am dey na ho bi ne abada ehun ma ne me dey no emfa so me nya ne sɛ ma me yade ɛyɛ den nti fie ne dey me tie gina sɛ saa de we no na nko so bi that is matter of decision decision ayade an na manipa ebobra wo take decision na wo ma wo nyamsom edimu ya Christo ana ose bibia so you see Christ is the presence of God in man.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Me say Christ is the presence of God in you right now.
That's right.
Enti wo ma Christo no tena wo mu yi a enya so obon pa ekeke na mo mwari ataso. Look at 18-year-old girl or returns on to young say returns to say fear and then can need and then come need I'm the pattern. You see where I'm making it say no I'm sending you music. Well because or catch and the young ban say I dear women ye be no I honestly what you busiani be an I beg your problem but nipan returns so when you make them wa ebeba
of course. Wow. Of course.
Black I am going to say
of course.
I'm the pattern.
Of course.
Oh yeah because now who to the extent say baby ade we ne source kosi no anu odene say baby omunye sika omo hwe omo atuto omo cars no is too serious eti omo break ye no obi aho kire no the devil put you to try sir wo na wo hana bewe but onyame obo wo no
sir
obetumi ahwe sir eti so obi tie me a me I challenge you say emat akonwafun bi esi wo ma me no papa busuam no enware ma ne me say dimo we anadwo bie oni nipa 2000 naira eti wo weta se fie ne me ma no meda bie mu a down there me ba je no
sir
obetumi ade wo ho na je say what breed a new generation na je say wo no what step out of the same the ade na ekoso no down there me ba je now I will say ye nya obi a obeware 700 nipa 1000 after Solomon
there it's interesting yes
yeah me na what you say enso ahemfu bebre bai ya me na what you say gentina we ne papa de ombe tugu man so na omo ko wie ye no e bi si bi ma bi si because people decided said this is the course ya ma kwan bi
okay
and the budget it is your choice
that's right
ya me na what you say so obia on fam kontimba ni wachi say nwade ten ana me bua
sir obia am fam kontimba mo yeah
well now decided
that's it
and the budget well now into what decided say see as ade bi ho wonnya bie mu a ade we abusua mu ada etie so etimi mu ana edi machi ma kira 3 things now say akonya obi fie ho no bi no da na asumdue bibie no abrabo mu a Mark chapter 9 verse 50 Yesu kan asem bi ho
okay
eti akwante me de ma wo ne na what me I started ya so no so that you can be sustained.
That's right.
Mark chapter 9
verse 50
the verse number 50 or say enchene ye na senchene de to free mu ede na mo de be hye no nchene eti munya nchene wo mo amumu
nyanchene wo wa awu
na monya asumdue
wo mu nti have salt in yourself and have peace with one another nti se obi tie me na ade we I damage you too much if you and Nedeko, Timmy, there will be an one soon also. The be our bass as reason. Have something to do with your destiny. It's a net jaw. I'm the about him. Jaw that one will be specific or more, and no more dear beer, a warm one, and this and demons to Tim Wom. Banana for, sir, it ne, you will na, and ne who babada. Nana so China and you or China for your phone tour up to 3 p.m.
Okay.
I'm the pattern. And now Joe Baby, who could daddy up a down for one Marco 12.
One can say for iodated salt. One can iodated salt. One can also be a coffee iodated salt. Yeah. Or can't there a boy now original one?
Oh, yes. No. Original one, Makuma, and all but to me, I can. Marco 12. Until you made our bed done. Let us say, would you tunes you know? I'm the pattern. I'm the pattern. I'm the Titiana fridge in you and China near the preserve.
Okay.
It would take a decision side with me, ye be more. This make the word of God undiluted to preserve will.
Fantastic.
And your emotion. I'm the pattern. Send a young couldn't be able to me. I would.
That's right. Powerful. Yeah, Mumpai,
Mati. Maybe I will be a fansa at 2 Akumasu. But you conclude it is 7 demons or China, your consultation. Bibi Chirosua to an Amonabra Parliament Chapel, Doco official town. Na and I said, Fanamba, a personal because I want to make country be what I say. That is why in Yamiami teaching with Yabram. You must have somebody you can trust with your problem, with your weakness. Na gentlemen, Mwa, Fansa to Akumaso. That was an Onyamesa ye drew. I will ask not so. A radiance and ye drew us 2 minutes. Amen. A dear be a break you down. A dear be a Atina was watching. A dear be a Pesa Uber Bobra. Whom be a possessor. Oh, who are talent, who are Yansa, who is a Solomon, but you have been possessed by this a demon. Asada. When yes to Christo demon, may the spirit of Asumodi be departed from your body, from your soul and your spirit. Makese the root. A konyabi amon ananum kwaje. A konyabi wa japadi bi anyone. No say see them yakatum. And home no e ware man member. Na nipa nyina ya hiafo nipa nyina bobra enkoso wo abroche otu kwan ya jiwachi akọ I will rebuke that demon and I send the demon back to my fie ogia ene fa hunde enya wo dia. May you breed a new generation. May you breed a new blessing. I think 2020 is a new era. May you move forward and not backwards. May God help you and your next generation. Osuru nyankopon said Joshua a new generation in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Because Siada is a war front. The yes to me when you mapa. You go deeper than that baby. You feel our Genesis, and God will bless you. Amen. God bless you.
Fantastic. Wow. Powerful. And Emmanuel Kessie says, Black Eye, it is true. I was dating someone and I said it's over between me and you. Yes, it is over. And now also at their bay, just also I'm at the will. Why very strong with the will. Now, Georgina Alueke says, good afternoon. Comfortella says, also Orlando, Florida, and also 88 Jumedie. No, see how I enjoy it. Elizabeth Ferguson says, Daddy, I thank God for your life. You always change people's life. God bless you once again. Benjamin Tree Makevo says, God bless you, man of God. May your anointing never dry. Amen. I'm listening and watching to you guys live from Obuasi to Usufo John. Can you say, thank you, man of God. Amen. Oh, Comfort Taylor. And Kwame Keche says, great apostle of the Free Copenhagen. And I'll say, you are blessed, Daddy. Upon Bernard Neck, and he say, God bless you, Papa. Yes. Miriam Peduneke, great man of God. Paulo Apia J. And Katinus says, live in Nkoko, Meshemopa. This one and this, the one and only speaker. God bless you, Daddy. Elizabeth Neck, and he say, Ayana Osom says, watching you live from Nkoko, Kwewu. Na ononso say ononso tie dwumade watching you live from Kukrantumi. Clement Ejane can say Simba so say ononso enjoy program na nkasa and Ayana so the need but messages now by more than $600 billion and also pa Isaac Kenimo we see you Sheila J we see you Perpetua we see you Cynthia Okra and more makani on Facebook yada mo for set more share na mo so more comment ediaba obetumi areche Apostle Francis Amoako Atta Ewo Ahomaso. The number in here 0243 001 844. 0243 001 844. And no any apostle. The number. Or say weakness be our now Ferris or Bekanchu be feel free. Speak to him. Na nyame nso befa no so. Na won so wetumi enya ogie.
Na WhatsApp no ba ko pe. WhatsApp no.
WhatsApp number no.
WhatsApp number no.
Okay.
0246 39 29 56.
All right.
0246 39 29 56.
I don't know WhatsApp line. I say send the WhatsApp. Men go confront. Send the WhatsApp.
No near Najono. Because you do and over Jumum.
Yeah.
Into Najono.
I know between any time. No, I chat.
No, you couldn't. Nothing. We are no, what to me.
Now, Apostle, what you say? You know about from Kofi B.
Maybe I am here.
Oh, Dantiasem do. And
yeah. Oh, may his soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Yeah, no, you added that now.
No, you're fit to. Maybe you're fit to Koba, Kokobo shoes, cry near the
Abba.
Abba. You're rushing in a car hospital.
Abba.
Went to me and making it.
And that's how can the school of life when you make a from our home friend and to but I say, TMA, life will never give you what you desire. Life always give you what you fight for. And don't forget to say, in the school of life, nothing happened accidentally.
That's right.
And that is why also you have to get yourself prepared and equipped to fight the battles of life.
That's right. Apostle Francis Amoako Atta, he has said it all. Aha, Adom 106.3 FM.